Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 4th, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Arcturus Therapeutics, a leader in mRNA medicines for rare diseases. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Arcturus has been making significant strides in the mRNA space, particularly with their focus on liver and respiratory rare disease therapeutics. I'm excited to discuss their latest financial results and pipeline progress.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Arcturus reported a revenue of $7.2 million for the fourth quarter and $82 million for the fiscal year 2025. However, they also reported a net loss of $29.1 million for the quarter. John, what are your thoughts on these numbers?
While the revenue figures show a decline compared to the previous year, it's important to note that Arcturus is in a heavy investment phase, focusing on their pipeline development. The net loss, although significant, is a reflection of their strategic investments in R&D and clinical trials, which are crucial for their long-term growth.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Arcturus has managed to reduce their operating expenses to $38.5 million in Q4 2025. Their R&D expenses also saw a decrease. How does this impact their future outlook?
The reduction in operating and R&D expenses is a positive sign of operational efficiency. Arcturus has extended their cash runway into Q2 2028, which provides them with a solid financial foundation to continue their clinical trials, including the upcoming Phase 2 study for ARCT 032 in cystic fibrosis.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 92 cents for the quarter, but Arcturus reported an actual EPS of $1. What does this mean for investor sentiment?
The actual EPS falling short of the forecast indicates that Arcturus is still navigating through its investment-heavy phase. While this might concern some investors, others may see it as a necessary step for future growth, especially given their promising pipeline developments.
Pipeline progress and strategic initiatives. Arcturus has made significant progress in their pipeline, with ARCT 032 set to begin a Phase 2 study and ARCT 810 broadening its development strategy. Can you elaborate on these initiatives?
Absolutely. ARCT 232's upcoming Phase 2 study is a critical step in addressing cystic fibrosis, while ARCT 810's broadened strategy aims to tackle both adult and pediatric OTC deficiency. Additionally, the approval of Kostiv in the UK and ongoing mRNA vaccine development with BARDA highlight Arcturus's commitment to innovation and expansion in the mRNA space.
Key takeaways. In summary, Arcturus Therapeutics is navigating a challenging yet promising path with their focus on mRNA therapeutics. Despite the financial losses, their extended cash runway and pipeline progress offer a positive outlook. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. Arcturus is certainly a company to watch as they continue to innovate in the mRNA space.
Thank you for tuning in to Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Arcturus's performance in the comments below.